Hi viewers, welcome to my channel again. I hope you subscribe my channel. If not so please subscribe now. So let's start. Today I will show you the review of makeup photo editor apps. This is a free apps, so you can easily find this apps at Google Play Store. For getting this apps at Google Play Store, please go to Google Play Store and search makeup photo editor. This is the makeup photo editor apps. The rating of this apps is 4.3. And here's some short screen of this apps. After using this apps, here's some people's comments about this apps. So, let's install this apps. For installing this apps in your Android device, click Install button. Now click Accept button and wait some time for downloading this apps in your Android device. It will take some time for installing in your device. Okay, download and install process finish. Now click Open button to run the apps. Don't worry, for the first time it will take some time to open the apps. This is the interface or home page of this apps. Here you can see some options of this apps. The options are Makeup Cam, Beauty and Makeup, Paint Lab, Fun Makeup and others are advertised of this apps. Now I'm opening Makeup Cam option of this apps. Use this option, you can take picture and make up your picture at the same time. The other beauty option will make you picture beauty. At the right side of the bottom option will help to make up your previous picture from your album. Just select which picture you want to edit or make up. Now I am going to other option of this apps, which is Beauty and Makeup. Using this option you can edit the previous picture from gallery. This is my phone gallery. Now I am selecting a picture for edit. I am using this picture for edit. Using this middle line you can change the brightness and color of your picture. The other option of the below line will help you to change the face shape and color. Here are so many options. Just watch this video carefully so that you can understand all the options. Now I am going to other option, which is Paint Lab. Using this option you can take your own picture through the camera and paint the picture. You can also paint your previous picture from your phone gallery. Now I am going to other option, which is Fun Makeup. Using this option you can make your own funny picture. For using this option you need internet connection for downloading funny templates. Use this option, just open the Fun Makeup option, take your own picture using the camera and have fun. This alls are funny templates. This is some other options of this apps. So thanks for watching this video. Please like, share this video. If you have any question please comments below. If you want upcoming videos of this channel please click subscribe button now. Please stay safe and be happy.